In this video, I will share with you the top 5 contenders of 2024 through their paces, and here's what I found. Number 1. Reliable Steamboy Pro 300 CU Steam Mop with Scrub Brush. This powerful mop boasts a large capacity water tank and a variety of steam settings. While the scrub brush attachment tackles stubborn stains effectively, the mop head itself felt a bit bulky, making it challenging to maneuver in tight spaces. Additionally, the steam readiness time was slightly longer than some competitors. Number 2. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. Known for its lightweight design and maneuverability, the Shark S1000 is a great choice for smaller homes and quick cleanups. The swiveling mop head allows for easy navigation under furniture, and the variable steam settings cater to different floor types. However, the smaller water tank requires more frequent refilling for larger cleaning jobs. Number 3. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. This versatile steam cleaner goes beyond just floors, transforming into a handheld steamer for tackling upholstery, windows, and even grout. The adjustable steam pressure allows for precise cleaning, and the safety lock ensures peace of mind. However, the higher price tag might deter budget-conscious buyers, and the assembly process could be slightly more complex. Number 4. Bissell Symphony Pet All-in-One Vacuum and Sanitizing Steam Mop. This innovative machine combines vacuuming and steam cleaning, making it ideal for pet owners. The powerful suction tackles pet hair and debris, while the steam sanitizes and removes stains. While the convenience factor is undeniable, the unit is heavier and bulkier compared to other options. Additionally, emptying the vacuum compartment can be messy. Number 5. Black & Decker Steam Mop. This user-friendly mop offers a good balance of features and affordability. The adjustable steam settings cater to different floor types, and the microfiber mop pads are easy to clean and replace. However, the water tank capacity is on the smaller side, and the steam cord could be longer for added convenience.